If only Mario wouldn't have gone on vacation, then I could have put him up on the ceiling fan and do to him the same thing he did to me. Oh, that stupid Mario. He never pays his house payment or anything. I'm just gonna sit down and relax for a little while. Mommy, is that you?
Oh, giddy up, little horsey!
Narf. Hey, Pinky, can you do me a quick favor? Narf.
Oh yes, I love doing favors. What kind of favor do you need me to do?
Hey, Pinky, I really want you to try out this really cool carousel ride.
Oh!
Narf.
I love carousel rides!
Narf.
Are you sure that this is a carousel ride?
Narf.
Oh yes, I'm sure, Pinky. I'm definitely sure. Turn it on. Pluto?
Oops!
Whoa, 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 Best carousel ride ever! Oh, but wait a minute. Where am I?
Narf.